Hi friends, it's Ms. Muñoz. Let's read our morning message. We're going to do it online today, so I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Hi, intelligent friends. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. We have been learning from home for 36 days. The letter of the week is I. The letter of the week is I. You can see a capital I written in red here. You can also see lowercase I is written in all the rest of the message. So we have one in hi, intelligent. Intelligent means smart. Friends. Our sight word is. Again, in our sight word is. Learning right here. And then when we have our capital and lowercase i's. Underlined, we have our sight words. Is, we, the, is. Okay, let's count our days learning in school. Here we have our pattern chart. So our first pattern was red, blue, then we had green, yellow, then we had purple, orange, then we started with red, blue. Because we're starting with red, blue, we can also go down. Our pattern starts to repeat again in the last line. So let's see if we can find it two ways. Let's see if we can find it two ways. We have red, blue, red, blue, red. What comes next? Blue. If we go down, we're starting with blue, so it goes blue, yellow, orange. If we start again, we're starting with the color blue. Okie doke. Today we're going to learn how to write the letter I. So if you see with our letter writing tools, our capital I is pretty easy to write. We have a small little line, long line, little line. We start with our long line. So this is our first line. 1, 2, 3. So long line, little line, little line. For our lowercase I, it's super simple. We start from the middle line, go to the bottom, make a little line, and then we put a dot. Our dot hangs in the air above our I. It does not go on top like a lollipop. Sometimes it's fun to draw lollipops, but that's not what a letter I is. A letter I has it right above the little line. So if we write it on our whiteboard, it looks like this. Capital I starting. We always start with a long line. So long line starting at the top, going to the bottom. Then we have little line, little line. Little line on top, little line on bottom. One more time. Start at the top, go to the bottom, one long line, and two little lines. Little line, little line. We've practiced this before when we did our sight word I. Remember when we do our sight word I, it's always capital like this. Long line, little line, little line. 3 capital I's. For our lowercase i's, we're going to start it at the middle line and go to the bottom line. So easy. And then a dot. So easy. You got this. Middle line to the bottom, dot. Middle line to the bottom, dot. Do you see sometimes I see friends do this? But that's not an I, that's a lollipop. So we're going to stick with this little line and a dot above. So now I have 3 capital I's and 3 lowercase i's. Okay, friends, let's see what we can find that starts with the letter I. Do you hear the birds interrupting me? That starts with an I too. Interrupt. Interrupt. All right, let's see. I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Here's our letter I. So we have long line, little line, little line. That's our capital I. And then for our lowercase I, we have little line, dot. Our first word is igloo. Igloo. Our next word is iguana. Iguana. Iguanas kind of look like dinosaurs to me. They're cool. Then we have insects. insects. Ooh, this is a beautiful impala. Impalas live in Africa. They kind of look like deers, but their horns twist. Impala. Ooh, my favorite thing at music, instruments. Instruments. Can you guess what this one is? We have a pair of shoes, and we have some shadow here, but no person. This word is invisible. Invisible. We have 3 I's in invisible right here, a capital, lowercase, lowercase. Ooh, this dog is itchy. Itchy. Next, we have an inchworm. Inchworms are so little. They're about an inch long. That's why they're called an inchworm. Inchworm. Now, because I didn't even know, let you know yet. So I is a vowel. It has 2 sounds, just like A does. So A said ah, and its name A. I is just the same. So we have I, and it says its name I. Here we have a picture of ice. So we can say ice. And then my favorite word with ice is ice cream. We have ice cream. I think I would take this ice cream cone. Then we have an iron. When you're older, you can help your parents iron the clothes. Iron. And then this is an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. So island. I want to go there. And then everybody knows what this is. This is an iPad. iPad. Okay, friends, so that's it. There's 2 letter sounds for the letter I. So we have I, and then when it says its name, I. Now it's your turn. I want you to find things in your house that start with the letter I, and I want you to post it to Seesaw. Don't forget to practice writing your letter I, capital and lowercase. Okay, I'll see you in just a bit in our Zoom meeting.